my blood clot cocky. You is your cheap blood clot Chinese made blood clot cocky this. My cocky original like a Clarks. Make a blood clot Germany. Prototype. Only one was made. Fucking out of your money. You see how they look a blood clot, look a boy that road and look and trick and feel up them cocky. Eh? They have big massive blood clot, dinosaur, elephant blood clot, chunk cocky. Where? Don't talk to me. Fucking out of yeah, don't open your mouth, don't say a word. You have a right to flabbergasted and cat got your blood clot and you can't say nothing. Where? I feel a blood clot cocky here. You have a big monster blood clot, extra large cocky when me have 10 more like a condom. Last time you fuck a 2 blood clot bag me have to draw for 2 9x blood clot 14 bag. But then put 5 pound flour, me have to draw for and show me hood big, extra large. Eh. A cheap blood clot hood this here. This is a England blood clot with England made like a Clarks. Germany made. You be say Taiwan and Japan and Chinese don't this. If you can't blood clot, drop one 400 US. If you just look on the head, just look me give one view ahead of me cocky. Where? Don't chat to me. Lift up. Where?